Hey everybody, this is Burn Beauty 2018. I was feeling kind of down, so let's do a beat. I've got my Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder in Universal. This stuff works great. I usually don't need to use a concealer if I use it as a base. I then used my Il Makiage, woke up like this in number 150, just buffing it on with a brush. And then I've got this Bi-Filter Pink Cloud Setting Powder. Never tried it before, but I was really excited. I decided to use a highlighter brush instead of a sponge here. I didn't know how pink it is. Next time I think I'll use a sponge because it looks pretty and you can see where it's adding just a hint of color and it's so smooth. I love the way that looks. Definitely a winner. I was afraid it would just be bright pink and, look like blush or something, but it just looks gorgeous. You can pick that up. All the links for products are below, and you can pick it up in my LTK shop. This gel eyeliner, they call it a pen. It's very creamy. And yeah, y'all ignore that fingernail. I've had my nails done twice in the past 2 weeks, and the polish keeps coming off. I can't even talk about it. Anyway, this creamer, I mean, this liner is so creamy. It's just great. Don't put on too much though, or it's gonna smudge. Then I finally got to use my One Size by Patrick Starr Girly Pop Blush. I've been wanting this color, and it is pigmented. Oh my goodness. Be careful with it, but remember, it's just makeup. You can always fix it. Blend that in a little. Then I grab some lashes. This is a really glam lash by Pretty Vulgar Cosmetics. I picked those up on Amazon, and they're linked below. They went on great and they look so pretty. They're reusable for 25 uses. Then I decided I wanted to use my rose gold glitter eyeliner that I'd gotten. It worked better to put it on top of the black. Otherwise, I don't think you would have been able to see it on my skin tone. A little bit of Fake Awake under the eye to try to get rid of some of the redness. And then Formula Z lip liner. This is called a Happy Sticks Duo. I've not been able to find that one to tag it for you, but if you look up Formula Z, I got mine in my Ipsy box last month. Finish it with LYS Beauty Speak Love Glossy Lip Oil in Lovable. And it just feels so simple, and I think it looks so pretty. It definitely lifted my spirits. Hyaluronic acid, Urban Decay setting spray, and you have got yourself a look that lasted all day and all night. I love y'all. Whatever you're going through, this too shall pass.